Good morning, guys. Hello baby here. Welcome to today's vlog. A very special. And guys, today it's a bright morning, as you can see. So this video starts from here, and actually my baby is there. So I'm heading to border town to purchase some pineapple and oranges. So at the same time, I will have my visit at home. So maybe he will find out fruits and we share as brother and sister. So guys, in case you are new on this vlog for today, subscribe to my channel, guys. There's some safari ant here. Look at this. So the safari ant. The reason being, I was passing there and they start itching my body. So guys, please, if you are clicking this video for today, give a like, comment, and also subscribe to my channel. That is the best way you can support Hello Baby Official. So technically, I'll take you to border town right now. So this is the tarmac road here. I have my friend here with my baby, so he'll take the control. Wow, look, wow, it's so amazing. So this is my baby here. It's taking me to border town right now. Wow, no matter what, whoa. Heading to border town right now. Wow, look. Fuck. I'm cooking. Wow. So guys, we are heading to border town. Wow. So guys, heading to border town right now with my baby. Wow. Can I do it? And guys, technically that's my Roma Catholic church over there. And Ngora. That's one there. This is my Roma Catholic church. And I have my brother taking control to border town. So right now, wow. Oh, guys, please come to this channel and subscribe. That's the cow grazing alongside the road over there. Hey! Nipatie mawili. Haya, nipatie na machungwa tu. Sana nasi ni mbichi leo.
Nanasi sio mbichi. Machungwa ngapi?
Mnauzaje 50? Haya. Yametosha haya. Sana.
Kwa hiyo hata.
Well guys, so I'm purchasing the fruits here. So I need today my family could be used, guys. So I'm just around border town. This is mbichi leo. Serious?
Yeah. Mira ya green. Tuko na ya red na tuko na
ya red iko.
Amna imesi.
Shingapi?
130. Amna. Tumepata Kenya Tanzania.
Yapi zimeshuka shingapi?
60.
Zote ni 60.
110.
110
plus 130.
260. Nieke na hizi ndizi. First I'm seeing you have some sweets here. Nikonya ngovi ya musini yangu. Mbiro. Yeah, kwani anauzaje vyote hivi? 80 wapi?
100 hivi.
Na hapo? Ama zimekaliana?
Zimelingana. Hiyo 100.
Mbona? Na hiyo?
Bei ni moja.
Well guys, I'm purchasing this one. Okay. Hai.
100.
Hakuna taite.
Taite.
Nai kafupi.
Kafupi ndio akafanya bei.
Mbona?
100.
Ndio nataka kwenda kula saa hii.
Isirolete.
Ama neri gunda mama ukonga.
Yeah.
Haya piga mahesabu niambie.
Mawili.
Moja. Ngahesabu angongo kenda neirane. Mwakani.
460. 460.
Nini nimefanya imekuwa 460? Pai. Sawa, mwambie nitaleta sasa. Piga 100. 230. Ndizi si ni 100? 200. 200
ukamenta 60. 260.
260
ukiongeza 50. 310. Ukiongeza 130.
Hiyo pesa haifiki hata 500. Hii ni 200. Ona hata zimeanza kutoka.
Nini imetoka? Niliweka vibaya.
Na nasi siwekwe chini.
360. 200. 330.
390. Ukiongeza 50.
430.
Si 430, 440. Well guys, so I'm packing and then guys, I'm just over here and my baby laid down. Woo. You ni mke wangu. This is my baby. So there's something went wrong here, guys. So I brought to mechanic here and we tried to solve the problem.
Nunaka utunere mura.
Eno taho ndiri sapa gende kuri gifa.
Yoni ne antamera ko namba yane.
It's crazy guys. See. Eh. Ah, ina
crazy hapo.
Yo no ngapi yo ni bel. So guys, imagine. So I solved this one happened, man. Oh, it's so crazy. And imagine there is some hotel here.
203.
Msakatonge Hotel.
Hello. Hello.
Oh guys. So yabo bugundu.
Eh? Ishe kuchoka hii. Hata imona. Teta mafa.
Ala uteko tora machuba berero rokani.
Asuta kaja kwa pombili my friend kwa yato.
Hey, it's the food.
Haiwezi kuwa na power pikipiki. Kuna dani? Kwa pombili wana mruta kuna hingira.
Uchikibere kukorombo ntamaleko.
Nyama.
Kuma kibere kukorombo ntamaleko.
Leta karatasi pale.
Kuma kama chona na mokori yangu matemera popota. Yo ni. Eringo lebigibige haki amu. Mwezi wa 5 nanda kuletera ikioma nsukote choni karawiko kenga.
Giende nene.
Ai sport bike sungote fono gitunga. Era fono ngokanye haki gigie.
Obokano.
Ai. Noni rigembe.
Tabi kiga cho kwamba ni watu kuchibika obokano.
Ni rigembe. Oh guys, so we tried to open the engine and you know the reason I've been guys. When I put the gear 1, gear 2, it's bring me neutral. I'm almost to cry guys when my baby brought a lot of problem to my village. We open this and then we're going big. Okay. Mama Maria, asante sana.
Hata 19 box in hand.
Vinde beni bihor. Bora mbeta hapo. Yo no ragete me yonsu hands. Yonsu kote me hands.
Hapa tu.
So guys, actually we are working on this part here.
But we can buy a petrol, we clean here, inside here.
Tena leo?
Suna venye hiyo oili na nili. Chafu kinyama.
Ni hamuna petrol.
Petrol.
So guys, we need the petrol to clean the engine. Ya msini ne reise? Ya msini?
Ya 50. Unajua hiyo oili unakimbilia mpaka ina nani hii na kwa chafu.
Kwani oili inafaa ikimbie mwezi mingapi?
Sio miezi mingapi. Kuna kimbilia wiki mbili wewe itoa. Utakaa na pikipiki lakini kisema tunakimbilia miezi, shauri yako. Sasa yeye nini unasema na watu wanakimbia hata wiki moja? Wewe inafaa ukimbilia wiki mbili utoe. Si 14 toa oil.
Okay, 14 days. Change the.
Enda sasa uone hata kwa kampuni 14 inafaa hivyo.
Okay.
Unajua watu wa oil ni biashara.
Sasa huyu nini kimebaki?
Nini?
Alete mafuta ama una kitu kingine mtu? Leta petrol. Okay.
Ni hivyo.
Kama ile ni kinua mpya after 1 week in change hata kama ni sport bike.
Unajua oil ukimaintain oil 2 weeks una drain 2 weeks una drain inakaa. Kile unaona kama huyu venye anakimbia. Hivyo sasa inaweza stack muda wote. Kwa sababu oil hakuna, chuma itakosa oil.
Kigande uharibu.
Na ikistaki hapo hivi kitu yenye itaharibu kwanza fast ni crankshaft.
Okay guys, my mechanics told me every 2 weeks I need to change the oil. Every 2 weeks to change the oil. So that is it. And we need the petrol or gasolino to clean the engine, guys. You know. Yo, right. Kinyam, taretam. Tunayota chonta kunebi. Yeah. Ya wai, mbona kuna hawakote unasokiana?
Kani malize.
Era.
Kani malize.
Yeah.
Hii hapa sini unakumalize hii.
Mbele gahero monta matundo muno muro. Idigira la para magenda. Wow.
Hebu weka gia hapa. Weka gia hapo. Oh, weka. Acha.
Wow, hello guys. Wewe situletea 50.
Pena nyingi.
Si atakutosha. Dogi.
Yeah. Kwa nini hutatoka? Yoni sasa hivi tu naenda. Si ni namrekebishia tu hiyo select kia hiyo.
Emma.
Sasa ile haishiki ile. Ile sasa hiyo amechakatua eno.
Well guys, we shall meet on the next video guys. Oh guys, we tried to clean the engine with the gasoline and then we shatengeneza kia Mungu ya kuonda.
Yeah. Kinyama yani. Unajua wazungu ukituma hiyo picha ikiwa hivyo, wanaona huyu jamani kinyama yani ni noma, anasafisha. Wao hawezi kufungia bibiki bila kusafisha.
Tema toke monse moyo. Oh guys. Sinko gurin ni petroli moroko haya.
Petroli sasa hivi saa hii hata haina power.
Za kitambo ni nje.
Kuna nyingine imekuja huko chini inaitwa power. Ile ni noma.
Ile hata bei yake ni.
Ile hata saa hii ingekuwa hapa tumeisha fanya boom.
Takuja kufanya siku moja ni yake full tank nione.
Iendagi ile petroli. Unajua no?
Sini kama ya bongo.
Unaona ile sasa ile sio regular kama ya bongo. Sema ile mafuta ni classic sana.
Yaani wanatoa kabisa.
Ni ile pigwa.
Wanatoa Saudi hayana maji.
Unajua eno.
So guys, we return the engine to the normal way. To a normal way with mnyama.
The mnyama here. Itifundi called mnyama yani.
And then we put new oil. So you told me every 2 weeks I change the oil.
Drain the oil.
Bora sulete ya Honda.
Si tunaweka.
Okay, so we need to change the oil and stay tuned as I'm going to change the oil, guys. You know, this is my baby and it's helped me a lot. So I brought them to the service area.
Mana kuza mulima.
Oh. You guys, this is what
lakini Kenya saa hii bado kuna history. Kenya
the only thing remaining is to put the oil and we ride at home, guys. New.
This is a new one.
Honda.
I want to check the results. These things.
It's 2 weeks, after 2 weeks.
Let me confirm, my friend.
Kana kira ako ni matamo he oiri atori tu. Chori tatori ki?
Sa 30 days.
Imeandikwa hapo 30 days.
Tunapata kitu ameandika 2 weeks.
Read instruction here, precaution. Sama precaution mra.
Ndio nishikango mapo.
Tankora ponera ngo kanye. Bubundo. This guy, and the Kiroga Haros. So guys, this is a brand new oil. You need to change. And I'm going to take it. We'll take it after 2 weeks. Tora niko hanganda akanya.
Sasa mimi ni mtu ambaye ni mtu wa mang'ambo. Wewe kama hujui injili hichi sasa hapo.
Oh guys, so welcome back again home, and I came from Border Town, and actually guys, I went to buy some fruits. So like yesterday I feel like, man, I want to eat fruit, and also a part of my family, they must eat fruit. So I came home, I didn't find my mom. So in the morning, actually guys, I was washing my clothes here. So technically this is the round right here, money power. Oh, I like soft life, man. I'm telling you. Look my shirt, man. Oh, so maybe by tomorrow I'll wear this shirt. Wow. I have another one here. So also this is my bed sheets. So technically guys, I want to say thank you so much. I think by tomorrow morning I'll take back my carpenter to my site. You know, east to west, home is the best. So I'm around at home, and actually I want to make sure that today or tomorrow my mason came to finish that part that is remaining there. So I want to squeeze to the next maybe toilet, and I think by God's grace, guy, we shall work through that maybe by tomorrow. Wow, this is my home, and since yesterday night, man, the mosquito, we have a lot of mosquito inside our compound, maybe during at night. So I tried to hang the net here at the shed. So this mosquito net, maybe during at night I will put in my room. So like yesterday night I put them outside. So today I decided to put them again in the shed. So according to the precaution that we read from the net. So my baby is here, and if you watch these videos, actually guys, I was taking my baby to the mechanic because it have some issues. When you put gear number 1, it's red. When you put number 2, it take you back to neutral. So and then I changed the oil, and I say, God, thank you so much, because it is what it is. When it's happened, it's happened. Because the reason why I tried to solve that issues, you know, it's a small issues, but when you pretend, man, like 3 weeks you spoil the motorbike and also the engine. So I decided to say, oh, so let me take it back to the mechanics. So he tried to open, and right now even I didn't take this motorbike to the to car wash, you know. So you can see the oil, so means that I was coming from the mechanics. Maybe by tomorrow morning I'll take my baby to the car wash, because it's helped me a lot, man. So anyway guys, let me take you to my project over there. So like maybe by tomorrow I will visit my neighbor and see how he makes some bricks again, because there's some maybe soil which can make bricks, and which one can't make bricks. So for now I saw the popular one, so I told him I want to see that progress of making that bricks from the next soil. And I'm trying to work on this, because 8% we almost done, so the remaining 20% is to fix the tiles, only that. And then I resume back to my mom's huge progress. So yesterday I update you on my videos, but if you are so late, you can watch these videos and also at my yesterday's videos or my previous videos. I really appreciate. And guys, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, guys, please subscribe, share to your family, share to your brothers and sisters. Let's support Hello Baby Official by watching my channel and also subscribing, guys. Load to 6K subscriber. I really appreciate, man. Welcome to my project. And for me, guys, 100%, when I get money I spend on my construction. When I get money I spend on my project. So like now, when I finish this part of tiling everywhere, my trust me, I want to go back, resume on the huge progress. And guys, be ready on that, because when I boom on that, you must be there. You must be there. So the only thing that remaining here is fixing these two toilets. You know, this is my mom's toilet, this is my toilet, and my brother's also we can share. So but the washroom we finish. So today let's talk about this one, guys. Please guys, through your support I can fix the tiles, you can see. So I put ceiling board. Oh, I see the lizard here. Look, you see this one? Look, it's running like crazy. So no way it can go, because when I fix the tiles here, man, it's totally smooth. So these are the things that I was waiting for, and we shall see. God will open the door in other way, and then I will win, guys. And I had on the comment section that hello baby, who told you that formula is try to line you? But it's okay. That's the way this toilet made it. So I'm trying to console that mistake. Wow, you see? And then boom. And then the next. Look, it's coming slowly. Slowly. Look, guys. Look how it's coming. Oh, so I heard, hello baby, not the toilet, like it's not maybe original or what. That's the kind how it's made it. But I understand. So we have the toilet, which you can open like this after maybe finishing your stuff. It comes like one touch, like pooh. But this one, look, it's coming slow. You see? Slowly. And then it's covered. So you can't hear that smell. But in the future, when I get maybe electricity or solar, and then have enough water, I could doing piping at the back, and also we have the stuff for water. You see here? Look. It's fancy, but right now I can use manually without water. But I'll put there a small super drum. Every day there's some water. Also maybe a bucket of water here, basket here. So when you visit the toilet, you could able to wash, to flush. You flush in a locally way. So this is my mom washroom. I don't want to talk about it, but I'm almost done. Look. So I want to make sure that on tomorrow's on Thursday. So on Thursday or on Friday, those 2 days I'll work on it. So man, I want to fix tiles even outside here, and we almost to move out, and also here. So guys, thank you so much, and I feel like I could end my video by saying thank you so much, my people. You made it possible, and for me, I made it possible to my parents, or I made it possible to my mom. Wow. So I want to end my video here by saying thank you so much, guys. We shall meet on the next videos. Oh, I had my puppy. So before I end my video, I had my puppy making noise. So let's see. Let's see, guys. You know my puppy is making noise here. What's up? Well, that's my puppy, man. Look. So they have already been given food. So I don't like maybe my puppy to interact with maybe people. So when it will be here, man, trust me, entering on this compound without permission or knocking the gate, you will maybe see fire. So that's the reason why I kept here. So I don't want maybe to interfere with maybe some people's here. Wow. Look at that. Wow. So guys, thank you so much. Oh, let me end my video here by saying I love you from my bottom of my heart, guys. We shall meet on the next videos, which is tomorrow, guys. I love you guys. Bye.